Such a blow to investors, whether you're a big trader or whether you have a 401k. And we're waiting for the market to open in about 2.5 hours, so we'll see how this plays out. Around the world, both Asian and European shares are sharply lower. Asia's biggest stock exchanges in Japan and Hong Kong are closed, but every market open is in the red. India down 5.4%, Taiwan down 4.1%. Same story in Europe. German shares are up.
How does she manage to look so beautiful every day?
Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me.
How can I forget your birthday, Dad? Come on. How can I? Give. How can I forget that you took multiple jobs to sustain me? How can I forget that you were always present at my school events, soccer games? How can I forget that you have given me utmost love and care? Even when I gave you nightmares when I was a kid. And most important, how can I forget that you have never made me feel the absence of mother? Happy birthday, Dad. Thank you. One more thing. Close your eyes. Open. For you.
Wow, the watch looks expensive. What do you think?
Come on, Dad. This is the least I can do for you. You're the best dad in the world. And I love you for that. I love you, Dad.
Good morning, sir. Your coffee.
Good morning, Michaela. So, how does my day look like?
Sir, you begin with a team meeting for the New York project. Following that, you have a 1 p.m. call with the CEO to discuss the quarterly results. You have your lunch at 2. Then you have a meeting with an association of suppliers at 5. And you conclude your day by attending a conference with the distributors.
Okay. Thank you, Michaela. Just do one thing. Just let me know 30 minutes prior to the conference. And I plan to leave early today. So if there's any changes, just keep me in the loop.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ria.
Good morning, Vikram.
So, how are things looking like on a New York project?
So far, so good. We haven't heard back from the VP of sales yet, but other stakeholders are looking quite interested. Also, we've got the reports from the survey and the focus group. It's positive. There's a lot of excitement around the new phone design. I'm sure if we get the marketing right, then we're looking at a $1 billion market for this.
That's fantastic. I know you've worked really hard to get us this deal. You're the best asset to this project. Good to have you on board.
Thank you, Vikram.
Raj,
Yeah.
what do you think these guys are talking about?
How would I know?
Yeah, how would you know? And this is pointless. I mean, there's so much of work in the office, right? And these people just want to chit chat. No wonder the economy is down the drain.
Why are you getting so worked up? Just focus on whatever you're doing.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to focus. But it's just distracting. All right. I'll see you soon. All right.
So sorry. Go ahead, you were here first.
No, it's okay.
Are you sure? Thank you.
Actually, I don't drink coffee.
Really?
I was looking for some green tea.
How nice.
So, what are the updates?
We've started the survey, so we are waiting for the reports as well as for the focus group. So let's hope for the best.
That's great. Good. Keep it up.
Thank you.
There's no coffee, man. Did you get the last bit?
No, man. I missed out on that too. I think it's those damn interns. They always look for the free stuff.
You know what, man? Screw those damn interns.
Green tea. Come on. Whoa.
You should tell her,
Stop it. Tell whom? And what?
to Ria, that you love her.
No, man. It's not what it looks like.
Are you kidding me? Dude, the entire office knows that there's something up between you and her. I've seen you exchanging those glances with her. You get jealous when she talks to other guys. You find silly reasons to be around her. And I'm pretty sure you have her pictures on your phone as well. All the signs are there. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and tell her.
Look, man. Whatever you're saying, I completely agree to that. Alright? But the thing is, whenever I've confessed my love to a woman, it has always led me to a heartbreak. So, I'm not interested in any more rejection. Got that? Got that?
Stop being such a kid. If you don't tell her, then I'll tell her.
Eh,
You decide.
stop it. Okay. I'll go and tell her. Now buzz off. Guys, we got the New York deal. Thank you. Yes, today I received a call from the VP of Sales and he told me that we can meet our sales target for the upcoming 3 quarters. Yes, and he also told me that our marketing budget has been approved. So I want to thank each one of you, but most importantly, I want to thank Ria for putting her dedication to this work. She's been working on this project for the past 6 months, exclusively, just to get us this deal. So guys, please give her a standing ovation. Thank you for your time, guys. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Hey, man. You did it, yes. I'll see you. Take it. Yes. Good morning, sir. So, Michaela told me that you wanted to see me for some urgent matter.
Yes, have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank you for getting the New York deal. I thought we might not get the deal, but your hard work really paid off. Unfortunately, I have some bad news for you.
What is it, sir?
We'll have to let you go.
Sorry?
We can't afford you, Vikram. It's not just you. we have to let go 30% of the team from Mumbai office. Our factories in China have been facing a lot of protests from labor unions. Despite the clearance from the authorities, we were trying to fix up our middle ground, but the negotiations fell apart. They burned down both our factories. It's a big blow to our revenues. Considering the economy is struggling, it's just hard to find more deals.
With all due respect, sir, but I feel this is unfair. I got you the biggest deal of the year, and this is how you repay me? By firing me? So is this even fair?
Don't get me wrong, Vikram. It's not personal. I'm just following the orders from the headquarters. For whatever it's worth, I'm disappointed with the decision as well. When I hired you, I saw the passion, drive, and enthusiasm in you. You have never let us down. Within 5 years, you were promoted to VP's position. That's never happened in the history of our company. I'm sure you will find more opportunities. I'll happily write a letter of recommendation for you.
Could you please excuse me, sir? Thank you.
Hey, I didn't see you in your cabin today. I thought you called in sick. Are you okay?
No, I'm fine. I was just having a meeting with the managing director. So, just wanted an alone time.
I'm heading out for lunch. Do you want to join? Right. Thank you, Vikram. I think I should head now. It's getting quite late. I'll see you around.
Ria, wait. I love you.
Sorry?
You heard it right. I love you. Ria, I love you since the time I saw you for the first time. You have no idea, Ria, how wonderful you are. When you're with me, I feel happy, positive, every single day. Every single day I get up 1 hour early just to see you to get onto that bus. And Ria, when you're not around, I find silly reasons to be around you. Ria, the curls in your hair, when it flows in the air, and the mischievous smile of yours, makes the things look so perfect to me. Ria, I never knew when our conversation became the reason for me to look forward to go to the office. It's all because of you. I genuinely love you. No, wait.
Vikram, I love you too. I have the same feelings for you. If it weren't for your absence today in the office, I would have never realized this. And I was afraid that you'll never express what you feel for me, but I'm really happy that you did.
MBA from London Business School. And can't even find a fucking job. Wait, what is this? Terrorist attack in Mumbai? 3 chefs died? Taj Hotel? What?
At 3 a.m., several loud explosions were heard from the Taj. The terrorists had triggered the blast under the central dome. And these horrific images went live on all news channels.
What the hell? No! Where's my phone? Come on, Dad, come on. Hello, police helpline? Sir, my name is Vikram. Sir, I'm not able to reach my dad. Sir, my dad is the chef at Taj Mahal Hotel. His name is Sudeep. His age is 58. And I just want to check whether he's alright, sir. Yes, sir. Please. Thank you. Hello?
Mr. Vikram,
Yes, sir.
I'm calling from Kolaba police station.
Yeah.
We found a body that matches your father's description.
What?
I'm sorry.
No. No.
Hey man, how's it going? Sorry to hear about your dad. This damn economy, it has spared no one. I'm moving back to my native place. Hopefully, I'll come back once things get better. Oh, I haven't seen Ria at the office lately. Her friend said that she might be getting married. I mean, they showed me her profile on some matrimonial site. And it seems like she did meet a few potential grooms. You know how it is for girls in India, right? Are you alright? Vikram?